Let's see what we got here. Don. Let's see, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna like know nobody again. So scratch. Lindsay. It's like playing Battleship. You're D4. Jose. What? Nick. Oh. Matthew. Kayla. And two copies. Okay, I lost one. Jennifer. Heather. And Felicia. Anna. Mark. Rita. Learn the people in the front quicker, right? That's the motto of the story. Ryan. That's consistent. And Julia. That's consistent. Right. Tim. And Cecilia. Seth. David. How's the view from back there? How's the view from back there? At least this room is longer than it is deeper. You know, it was the other way around. It really stink. I was in a room like that at Donnelly where it was like it was really thin. It just went back forever. Holes in the middle. I was like, oh my god, obstructed views. It was amazing. You had to like hide behind them. It was great. Nick. Oh, darn it, that's right. Yeah, fell for the Nick trap again. Well, in one day, well, you have to be Theodore. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. The other Nick's been out, so that's two. We'll be in trouble already. Danica, how you doing?
You happy?
Yeah. All right, there you go. Of course, it's Matthew. Of course, I gotta be happy. Mari. Okay. H3. Devin. I remember that. See, earlier. Nice. Yeah. Have I missed anybody yet? Ah, who are you? That makes perfect sense. That would have been the next name. So you missed the first class. Okay, we'll take care of you in a minute. How's it going? All right. You covered the first section in the textbook. You know, nothing really amazing. And Chrissy would not be here, so still at 19. We just have a different 19. Okay. How did you guys do on getting into that math lab plus?
I couldn't do it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. No, my system has to work. Tim. Came up with the idea. The sheet says enter your login and password like your portal, but then you get an invalid login. So we were messing around here, and yeah.
I think that's the key. That's my wrong page. I put over it.
Really? You did the Lehigh Carbon dot my last one. That should have got you in there. That just did it here. That should have got me to prove that kind of odd. Doesn't make any sense. Maybe I probably need to get into the page. I don't know what to say, but I can do it. I mean, just don't even try to use spell right Lehigh Carbon. You know, start right with that. Yeah. We got time. I wasn't going to do anything until the end of the first chapter, so we got plenty of time to play with that. But when you get on and it says username and password, type the password the same as your username, and then that seems to work. Okay, so you can be the trial balloon on this again here, see if it works.
Even if you're buying one, does it make a difference?
I don't think so. I'll try it. The first couple of weeks are meant to get out the kinks of the system. Okay, look at you.
Redirecting me.
This.
And it gets passed.
Oh, you gotta, yeah. I never bother to bring my laptop here. Like, I can't get past this. I gotta do something. It's not worth the effort. Forget it. I hate computers. The only reason I do this is because I have to.
That worked.
That worked? You got on? Genius. That's bonus points for you. No, it's not. Gotta try it. I don't understand. It makes no sense. But yeah. But I know it's. I remember I came here. We had our staff meeting last week. And I got here a half hour early so I could sit down with the people so I could figure out how to do it because I knew I'd have problems. Bless you. And it did. I had all sorts of problems, but I finally, when somebody suggested doing that, bingo, that was the winner. Then that got me in. But now once you're in, you can say if you want your password to be whatever, then you can go ahead and the profile and change your password. It's all good. Okay. All right, well that's that. Now, as far as the stuff that we did last week, I think the biggest thing, I mean, all the variables and whatnot are fine. The biggest thing would be me giving you a set of data. There it is. And being able to identify the